This video tells you how to transfer stock from your laboratory to another. Click on Stock Transfer tab on the red ribbon. You will see a list of all stock transfers made till date along with their status, received or dispatched. To transfer stock, click on the Add button on the top right corner. A pop-up will open. Enter the date of transfer along with remarks. You can include details of the lab you are sending stock to along with how much they requested for. Click on the red Add Product icon. Choose product and lab name from the drop-down. Also enter the quantity you would like to transfer. You can send multiple consignments to various labs through one go as shown in the video. Finally, click on Save. You'll see a transfer entry created.